Did you know that having the right tools and resources can significantly boost your affiliate marketing success? Stick around, and we'll equip you with everything you need to know to get started and thrive in the world of affiliate marketing. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on affiliate marketing tools and resources you need to know. Affiliate marketing tools and resources you need to know. This is part 15 of our 15-part series on affiliate marketing. Be sure to check out the other parts of this series in the description below. You can revisit specific sections or jump ahead to topics where you need the most help. Let's continue on your path to affiliate marketing success. In today's competitive digital landscape, leveraging the right tools and resources can make all the difference in your affiliate marketing journey. Whether you're just starting or looking to scale your efforts, this video will cover essential software, platforms, and educational materials that will help you achieve your goals efficiently and effectively. Many affiliate marketers struggle to find the right tools and resources that can streamline their efforts and maximize their results. With countless options available, it can be overwhelming to determine which tools are worth investing in and which ones are merely hype. Additionally, beginners often face challenges in understanding how to utilize these tools to their full potential. This guide aims to simplify that process and provide you with a curated list of essential tools and resources, along with practical tips on how to use them effectively. 1. Affiliate networks and marketplaces. Background: affiliate networks and marketplaces connect affiliates with merchants and provide a platform to discover and join various affiliate programs. These platforms are crucial for finding products to promote and tracking your commissions. Key platforms: Amazon Associates, one of the most popular affiliate programs, offering a vast range of products. ClickBank specializes in digital products with high commission rates. ShareASale offers a wide variety of physical and digital products. CJ Affiliate, formerly Commission Junction, a robust network with many well-known brands. Rakuten Marketing, known for its high-quality merchant partners and advanced tracking tools. Strategy: join multiple affiliate networks to diversify your product offerings and maximize your earning potential. Each platform has its strengths, so choose ones that align with your niche and audience. Example: Amazon Associates is ideal for beginners due to its user-friendly interface and wide product range. ClickBank is great for promoting digital products like e-books and online courses, offering higher commission rates. 2. Content Management Systems, CMS. Background: a content management system, CMS, is essential for creating and managing your affiliate marketing content. A good CMS should be user-friendly, customizable, and scalable. Key platforms: WordPress, the most popular CMS, known for its flexibility and extensive plugin library. Wix, a drag-and-drop website builder suitable for beginners. Squarespace offers beautiful templates and an intuitive interface. Weebly, easy-to-use platform with e-commerce capabilities. Strategy: choose a CMS that suits your technical skills and business needs. WordPress is highly recommended due to its flexibility and extensive plugin ecosystem, which can enhance your website's functionality. Example: WordPress, combined with essential plugins like Yoast SEO for optimization and Elementor for page building, can help you create a professional-looking website with minimal technical knowledge. 3. Keyword research tools. Background: keyword research is critical for SEO and content creation. It helps you understand what your audience is searching for and how to target those queries effectively. Key tools: Google Keyword Planner, free tool for discovering new keywords and getting search volume data. Ubersuggest offers keyword suggestions, search volume, and competition analysis. Ahrefs, comprehensive SEO tool with advanced keyword research capabilities. SEMrush provides keyword research, competitor analysis, and SEO auditing. Moz Keyword Explorer, known for its accuracy and user-friendly interface. Strategy: use keyword research tools to identify high-traffic, low-competition keywords relevant to your niche. This will help you create content that ranks well in search engines and attracts organic traffic. Example: using Ahrefs, you can discover keywords with high search volumes and low competition, allowing you to target these in your blog posts and increase your chances of ranking higher on Google. 4. SEO tools. Background: SEO tools help optimize your content for search engines, ensuring that your website ranks higher in search results and attracts more organic traffic. Key tools: Yoast SEO, WordPress plugin, simplifies on-page SEO tasks. All-in-one SEO Pack, WordPress plugin, another powerful SEO plugin for WordPress. Screaming Frog SEO Spider, analyzes your website for SEO issues. Google Search Console, monitors your website's performance in Google search results. Moz Pro, offers comprehensive SEO tools, including site audits and keyword tracking. Strategy, utilize SEO tools to perform regular audits of your website, optimize your content, and monitor your rankings. This will help you stay ahead of the competition and continuously improve your site's performance. Example, Yoast SEO guides you through optimizing each blog post, including setting focus keywords, improving readability, and ensuring proper meta descriptions, ultimately boosting your on-page SEO efforts. 5. Content creation tools. Background. High-quality content is the backbone of affiliate marketing. Content creation tools can help you produce engaging, informative, and visually appealing content. Key tools. Canva, user-friendly graphic design tool for creating visuals. Grammarly, assists with grammar, spelling, and style checks. Hemingway Editor, helps improve readability by highlighting complex sentences. Lumen 5, turns blog posts into engaging videos. Adobe Creative Cloud, suite of professional design and editing tools. Strategy, incorporate content creation tools to enhance the quality of your blog posts, social media updates, and videos. High-quality visuals and well-written content attract and retain your audience. Example, Canva allows you to create eye-catching graphics for your blog and social media, even if you have no prior design experience. Grammarly ensures your content is error-free and professional. 6. Email marketing tools. Background. Email marketing is a powerful way to nurture your audience, promote affiliate products, and drive conversions. Email marketing tools automate and optimize your campaigns. Key tools. MailChimp offers free plans and is beginner-friendly. ConvertKit, designed specifically for creators and bloggers. Aweber, known for its simplicity and reliable deliverability. GetResponse, includes advanced marketing automation features. ActiveCampaign, combines email marketing with CRM capabilities. Strategy, choose an email marketing tool that fits your needs and budget. Focus on building your email list, segmenting your audience, and sending targeted, value-packed emails. Example, MailChimp's free plan is perfect for beginners. You can create sign-up forms, send newsletters, and analyze campaign performance, all without spending a dime initially. 7. Social media management tools. Background. Social media is essential for promoting affiliate products and engaging with your audience. Social media management tools help streamline your efforts and maximize your impact. Key tools. Hootsuite, schedules and manages posts across multiple platforms. Buffer, simple and intuitive tool for scheduling social media posts. Sprout Social, offers advanced analytics and social listening features. Later, focuses on visual content, ideal for Instagram. Social Bee, provides content curation and recycling features. Strategy, use social media management tools to plan, schedule, and analyze your social media activities. Consistent and strategic social media engagement drives traffic and builds your brand. Example, Hootsuite allows you to schedule posts in advance, monitor engagement, and analyze performance across multiple social media platforms, saving you time and ensuring a consistent presence. 8. Analytics and tracking tools. Background. Tracking your performance and understanding your audience's behavior is crucial for optimizing your affiliate marketing efforts. Analytics tools provide valuable insights and data. Key tools. Google Analytics tracks website traffic and user behavior. ClickMeter monitors and tracks your affiliate links. Hotjar provides heat maps and session recordings. Crazy Egg offers visual reports on user interactions. Bitly shortens URLs and tracks clicks. Strategy. Implement analytics and tracking tools to measure your performance, understand your audience, and identify areas for improvement. Data-driven decisions lead to better results. Example, Google Analytics gives you detailed insights into your website traffic, including where your visitors come from, what pages they visit, and how long they stay, helping you refine your strategies. 9. Educational resources and communities. Background. Continuous learning and staying updated with industry trends are vital for affiliate marketing success. Educational resources and communities provide valuable knowledge and support. Key resources: affiliate marketing blogs. Stay updated with the latest tips and trends. Online courses. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera offer comprehensive courses. YouTube channels. Follow experienced marketers for free tutorials and advice. Forums and communities. Join forums like Warrior Forum and Reddit for discussions. Books. Read books by industry experts to deepen your understanding. Invest time in learning from reputable sources and engaging with communities. Continuous education keeps you informed and inspired, helping you stay ahead of the competition. Enrolling in a comprehensive course on affiliate marketing on Udemy can provide structured learning and practical tips, helping you build a solid foundation. The most impactful takeaway from this guide is that having the right tools and resources can significantly enhance your affiliate marketing success. By leveraging these tools, you can streamline your efforts, maximize your results, and stay ahead of the competition. The combination of a well-optimized website, engaging content, strategic social media presence, and continuous learning creates a powerful foundation for your affiliate marketing journey. In conclusion, affiliate marketing success hinges on utilizing the right tools and resources effectively. We've covered essential categories, including affiliate networks, content management systems, keyword research tools, SEO tools, content creation tools, email marketing tools, social media management tools, analytics and tracking tools, and educational resources. By integrating these tools into your strategy, you can streamline your efforts, optimize your campaigns, and achieve your affiliate marketing goals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more affiliate marketing tips and strategies. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below, and let us know which tools and resources you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing!